which they can't in the Prime Medical Center. So let's go check it out. Hello doctor, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon, Serena. How are you?
Fine, how are you?
Welcome
Thank you
back.
so much.
Please sit, please sit.
So doctor, what are we going to do today?
So, Ms. Serena, first of all, welcome. Very warm welcome once again. And thank you for coming back to Barsha once again. So, today, as we discussed in the last session, we will be doing some scaling and polishing for you, and followed with some fillings. As we said that there are some cavities, minor cavities are there. So we will be removing those cavities and doing a white filling for your teeth. And along with that, we will be doing some scaling and polishing to make sure that your gums remain healthy.
Okay.
So let's start with that.
Okay. Doctor, what about like some advice you can give how overall we can maintain good oral health?
Overall, very important is brushing your teeth twice a day. And second most important thing is you have to visit your dentist at least once in 6 months.
Okay.
Because even only brushing is not important, because our teeth, they have sharp grooves and fissures where the food particles get stuck, and that lets the bacteria to invade there and cause cavity or the caries. So whenever the cavities are at an initial stage, and if the patient comes to us every 6 months for a visit, so we can locate the cavities at an early stage and arrest them from growing, and progressing, because these cavities can progress at a really fast speed suddenly, and one fine day you will encounter sudden pain. So most of the patients who come to us, they come with sudden pain which started,
Yes,
and
yes.
they have missed out their dental appointments, and they have missed out their procedures which are pending. So these small cavities suddenly they trigger into big larger cavities, and it starts. The pain suddenly starts. So very important is visiting your dentist every 6 months, so we can help the patient by arresting the cavities. Also, in regards to the gum health, very important is to do your scaling and polishing every 6 months or once in a year, because the tartar, it's very common, the tartar keeps on forming. How much ever you brush, but the tartar will form. So before it grows downwards and damages and destroys your gums, so it's always better to remove the tartar at an initial growth, so that it does not progress later to form more deeper or larger periodontal pockets. So all these things are very important.
What about mouthwash? Do you think it helps? Like it's important to do?
Mouthwash is also recommended. There are the important things is brushing your teeth, dental flossing, mouthwash, tongue
Flossing should be
cleaning.
how many times?
Flossing is you can do maybe once or twice in a day along with your brushing.
Okay.
But very important, if you follow all these things like brushing, tongue cleaning, dental flossing, and regular checkups with your dentist, so overall the chances of your cavities to start will be less, or even if the cavities are starting, they will be progressing at a very lower speed. They will not progress very fast. Along with that, one more very important factor is your diet. Like sugary.
That is the worst. This is the painful part. I don't like to hear.
So
Well, I have sweet tooth.
yeah, sugary food,
Yeah.
drinks, and sometimes we have starchy food, and we don't brush, so it allows the bacteria to invade onto the teeth and cause cavities. So these are the important things we should be doing and taking care of.
Alright, okay. So let's start with our treatment then.
As we had one session before also when we did the checkup, so there are few cavities. Overall your oral hygiene is very good, your teeth are in very good condition, and just minor cavities are there. So as a preventive measure, we are going to just remove those caries from the teeth and put a filling material over there. So at least those teeth are safe for future, and they will, at least the cavities will not progress in those teeth. Apart from that, there is a minor tartar, and for which you require regular scaling and polishing. So we'll start with scaling and polishing first, followed with the normal fillings for you, and yeah, that's it.
Okay.
So let's start.
doctor. Thank you so much. I really like it. Now my teeth look so clean and white. And I think the treatments that you've done looks good. Hi friends, check out my teeth now. As you can see, this is after scaling and polishing done by Dr. Sultan. Do consult him for all your dental problems. He is really good and he gives you the right advice, what you need for your teeth. Thank you, Dr. Sultan, for this awesome job, and thank you for making my smile more bright and beautiful.
So, Ms. Shanila, thank you for visiting Prime Barsha, and once again we look forward for you to more visits in our clinic. And Ms. Shanila is our very old and sweet and kind patient who always keeps on visiting us.
This is not a good thing though. But I like to visit Dr. Sultan. He's really good.
And we are always happy to see her and to make sure that her smile is always maintained. And we wish her all the best.
Thank
and
you.
Keep visiting us again. So
Thank you.
Please friends like her page, and please you guys also come to us.
Okay, thank you. Guys, you have to visit Dr. Sultan. He's really good. He's a good dentist. For all your dental problems, he's your solution.